Hey guys, welcome to my lesson on how to play the solo in one of these nights. Great melodic solo by Don Felder, love it. Let's just jump straight on and get into it. So what this one starts with is we start with a 1.5 step bend at the 19th fret of your first string, okay, so a 1.5. We do that twice, okay. Just remember when you're doing a 1.5 step bend, if you're bending the 19, it should sound like the pitch of fret 22, okay? So we do that double bend. From there, that is a 15 on the first string to a 17 on the second string. Then we're going to do a pull off from the 17 to the 15 on that second string, and then the 16 on the third string. So then we're going to slide down to the 14 and then play the 12. So from there I'm straight in to a full step bend on that 12. Okay, you can either bend upwards or down with that index finger, it doesn't matter, sounds the same, so whatever your preference is. So then there's another quarter step bend on the 12, and then you play the 14 on the fourth string. So now here, that's a 14 pull to the 12 on the fourth string, and then a 14 on the fifth string, and then 12, 10 also on the fifth string. So after you went now I go back to the 14, slide to the 12, and then play the 10 again on the fifth string and then slide off. So from there we're into a full step bend on the 15th fret of the first string, and then just a normal flat 15, straight into a full step bend on the 14th fret of your third string, and then the 12 on the third string. So 12, 14, 12, 14 on the third string. Full 12, 14, 12, 14. Back to the 15. So we went. Second time, 15 on the first string, full step bend on the 14 on the third string, 12, 14, 12. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to play the 14 on the third string, I'm going to slide to the 16, and then I'm going to bring the 17 in on the second string like this and go between the two. And then I'm going to slide down 2 frets to 14 and 15. So we slide from 14 to 16, then 17, 16, 17, slide 2 frets. So okay, so we went slowly through that section. Was hopefully you guys can see that clearly enough. From there we do a pre-bend, a full step pre-bend on the 17th fret of the first string. So what you do is you're bending that note a whole step before you actually strike it. We're then going to let it down, so it's a pre-bend and release, and then we pull straight into the a bend on the 15th fret of the first string. So we go bend, release, and then bend that 15 a full step also with the index finger. So So this bit here, what I'm doing is I'm barring across the 12th fret, first 3 strings, but I'm really mainly just looking at striking my 2nd and 3rd strings with my pick. That's just obviously a down, up, down, up, down, down, down. Then we slide that shape down to the 7th fret. So we're really going from the E minor position to the B minor. So from there, so I'm sliding from the 7 to the 9 on the 4th string with my 3rd finger. Then I'm going to the here I'm going from the 7, 9, 7. I'm putting a bend on there. I think it's roughly a 3/4 step bend, that one. Okay. From there, here I'm playing a 10 on the 1st string and then an 8 on the 2nd string with a little 1/4 step bend. So, then I'm doing the 9 to the 7 on the 3rd string. So we've got the 10, the 8, the 1/4 step bend, 9, 7. Then what I do is I'm going to do a really quick slide from the 9th fret down to the 7th fret with my 3rd finger on the 4th string, and then the 5. So it's the 9 slide 7 then 5, and then we do the 7 to the 5 again. Okay, so we went. Okay, so I went between those two twice. Often quite tricky when you go to slow things down and try and figure out what you're actually playing. It's quite a different thing. Then we're going to go 7, 5, 7 on the 5th string, and then slide from 7 to 9 on the 3rd string. And a bit of vibrato, so we went. Okay, from there we're going to do this. What I'm doing there is I'm doing a half step bend on the 9th fret of the 4th string. So it's a half step bend and release. And then we're going to go 10, 12, 10, 12, 12. So 10, 12, 10 on the 5th string, and then 12 on the 6th string. So the next one, we just change the last note to the octave of the A. So instead of playing at the 12, we do the 14 on the 4th string like this. Okay, so the outro lick. So there, twice on the 15 of the 1st string, straight to a full step bend on the 14th fret of the 3rd string, and then the 12 on the 3rd string, and then the 15 on the 2nd string. So slowly. Then what we do is we do a pre-bend release and pull off to the 12 on the 2nd string. Then we do the same thing on the 1st string. Oops. And then we finish with 2 full step bends on the 17th fret of the 1st string, and then we hold the bend and vibrato the string. So. Okay, that brings us to the end of our lesson. So yeah, as usual guys, thanks a lot for watching. If you haven't already done so, please hit the sub button. Appreciate that very much, and I'll see you next time.